Hey, good morning, my friends. This is MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. Would have liked to had a lot more rain at my location, Frankenmuth. A little less than 3/10 of an inch. Looked like the soil was a little moist. We're not done with the rainfall, but it's still going to be on the sparse side here the next couple of days, depending on where you're at. Cool temperatures, though. You saw my blurb. There's some blue on the map. I'm going to show you a series of low temperature maps, for the coldest temperature early in the morning. And as we get into the weekend and early next week, we're talking about some blues, 40s. I'll tell you that. Probably not 30s. Although, the other day, Roscommon dropped down to 34 degrees. Hey, Brenda Jones, good morning. And Bob Clark, hi to South Branch. And Dan Dean, good morning to you. Brown City, Melinda Parr. All right, let's get to it. Hey, Jen Reno, let's get to it. And Colleen McClellan from Traverse City. Okay, so still a decent area of showers around the Detroit area, in Monroe and Ann Arbor for an hour or two. And again, some showers out here. Now, everything is really downplaying the rainfall as far as on the models. I wouldn't be so sure that we're going to be as dry as a lot of people think. Hey, good morning, Mary. And good morning, Kevin from Genesee. Tim Colburn from Wheeler. Hi there. So, this is still a trough moving through, and it could still build some, although the radar forecast off of our high-resolution rapid refresh model doesn't show that. So here is the satellite picture, and again, you can see a lot going on here moving toward the east, even up in here, disturbance. So we will just hope for a little more rainfall. As far as rainfall totals, not real great. There was a couple of spots that had a useful rainfall over a half inch through Pontiac and through the northwest side of Detroit and also around Kalamazoo. Out over Lake Michigan, they didn't need the rain there. It was wet enough in Lake Michigan. All right, here's the radar forecast. And again, we go into noon, not showing a whole lot, but again, this line of showers out here, I'm not convinced that it won't build some and make it a little more showery than what you think it would be. And Gifford, good morning, Indianapolis. Circle City, right? Okay, and 1 o'clock, 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock this afternoon, 4, 5, UP and Northwest Lower maybe getting into a line of a thunder shower. And then we go into 9 o'clock tonight. And that's as far as we get with this one. And so we still have bands of showers coming through. Point being is that all along I told you this was going to be a cumulative rain through late Wednesday of about 4 rounds of showers at any one spot. Each one of those rounds not the greatest, but all cumulative. Maybe we'll get over a half inch to maybe an inch. Kendall Bailey, is Michigan done with severe weather for the season? I wouldn't say it's done. We don't see any in the next 2 weeks because we're cooler than normal, but we've had recently October tornadoes. So I would not say it's done, but we are out of the time period where it typically happens. All right, so radar forecast tonight, and then we go into Wednesday morning and Wednesday afternoon, and really not a whole lot showing up, but I can tell you the cooler air coming in should, in my mind, make a significant patch of lake effect rain, at least in the northwest half of the state. All right, now let's get to the red first and then the blue. Okay, high temperatures today. There we are. And Wednesday, look at that. Low 70s, Saginaw and Grand Rapids. Hey, good morning, Annie Burt. 60s, northwest lower for highs on Wednesday. Thursday, popped back up to about 75 to 80. And Friday, not a bad day, 70s. Saturday, a little cooler, about 70 degrees. And Sunday, low 70s. And Labor Day already. Wow. Okay, now here's the blue. And this is tomorrow morning's low temperatures. 50s, very comfortable. And then Thursday morning, some 40s showing up and 40s, otherwise 50s. And Friday morning, a little warmer ahead of a cold front. And then Saturday, 40s and 40s. And Sunday, 40s. And Labor Day, 40s. Hi, Rhonda Dunn. Yes, Carla Godzi, good idea. Fishing weather. Once the wind dies down, we've got dangerous winds because of the cooler temperatures aloft. And remember, we are getting into our Great Lakes wind season where the Great Lakes are still relatively warm, 70 degrees. You get cold air aloft. That cold air wants to come down to the surface. The warmth near the lake wants to go up, and that mixing causes these turbulent eddies that picks up the waves and the wind more than you would think. Hey, Jeannie Osborne from Grand Elk Rapids, good morning. And yeah, Janice, great sleeping weather coming up. Although for some reason I usually sleep very good, and in the last week I've slept like crap. I don't know why. I keep waking up at 4 or 5 in the morning. So there you have it. We still have spurts of showers over the next 48 hours, I'd say, into Wednesday afternoon. Yes, I did say 40 degrees. Now that's going to be in northern lower. Southern lower will drop down to about 50 degrees probably. And then it looks like we have pretty decent weather heading on into the holiday weekend. No big rains, although we could certainly use it. And cooler temperatures on the way. There's your morning weather update. I'm MLive Chief Meteorologist Mark Torregrossa. And enjoy this, what's going to be more persistent taste of fall heading our way.